Hello everyone, welcome back to our advanced networking with IPv6. This is Paspati Bania, and in this today course we will be talking about the course structures. What are the things we will be covering inside our advanced networking with IPv6? At first we'll be talking about the overview of IPv6, and second we'll be talking about what are the features available in the IPv6 in comparison of IPv4, and what are the addresses mode that are available in IPv6, and the address types in IPv6, and what are the special addresses, and we compare that special addresses with the IPv4. And there are different type of headers that come with the IPv6. We will be discussing about the each and every fields inside the header, what are the main, and how many bits they cover, and what are the features they have inside the header. And we'll be talking about the how IPv6 communications occurs inside the networks, and we'll be also dealing with the some subnettings, as we already have done some subnetting with the IPv4, and in this we'll be talking about the IPv6 subnetting. That will be totally whole different story if you compare to the IPv4 and IPv6 subnetting. Okay, and we also talk about the why so we are moving to the IPv4 to IPv6, and what are the reason, what are the security improvement have been done in the IPv4, IPv6 in the comparison of IPv4. Okay, and the mobility in terms of mobility, we'll be talking about the mobility advancements in the IPv6, and how does routing occurs inside the IPv6, and last we'll be concluding our whole course that we have discussed from the video 1 to the last and the summary. And so guys, this video is for the course structures that what we'll be talking about inside this course. So guys, this was much today video, so see you in next video. Have a good time. Bye bye.